Silkscreen printing is a textile printing technique that consists in letting ink go through a mesh stretched out on a screen, stamped colour by colour, directly onto the fabric. So you can understand the process better, I'll go through it with you. To prepare the screen, you need a frame and a fabric stapled onto it. This needs to be very tense so there are no creases. Here you can see my screen already prepared. In a dark room, although you can use a red light, you need to apply the photosensitive emulsion to the screen. Sorry about the quality of the image, but I just wanted to show you the work done in the dark room. Obviously, because of the darkness, the image looks a little grainy. Now you place the printed design, the photolith, between the screen and the exposure light. We can apply weight so that the light is distributed evenly, and we'll keep the light on as long as necessary. Now, only using water, wash the screen to get rid of the parts that weren't exposed to the light till the screen is done. Now the fun part. With a scraper, extend the paint over the parts of the mesh that aren't exposed, leaving the design on the fabric. To make this example, I wanted you to see a real example, so I used one of my pre-prepared screens. So that's our screen pressed fabric. I wanted to show you the low-cost version of this process, so you can see it's something anyone can start off doing at home. However, bit by bit, you can professionalize your workshop. The biggest advantage of screen printing is the price. As you saw, you can set up a home workshop and start making t-shirts with an initial cost of about $200 to $250. Also, it's a very versatile technique that allows us to print on different surfaces like cotton, polyester, wood, metal, etc. It's a long-lasting technique that doesn't wash off, and there are many special effects that let us play around with different designs. When you're buying your materials, always find a shop where you'll receive good advice. Of course, screen printing also has its disadvantages, such as the limited number of colours or the fact you can't use gradients or shadows.